So here's my new friend, and it's called Peanut. I just got him today because Mom was out of town. After we check the geese, we're gonna show you around the neighborhood, okay?
So this is an internal audio test of the internal microphone in the camera. Looks like the levels are bouncing around negative 14 dB right now. You're probably going to hear more ambient noise than you normally hear. This is the first time I'm testing the internal microphone outside. I did an indoor test in my audio booth, but this was more real world. Literally, we're walking in the real world outside. There's very little breeze right now, which is not an accurate test of real world. Usually there'll be a breeze.
Lake there, and we have a big lake there that there's a lot of trash in that water. So that you just tell them when are we gonna have the cleanup day.
We're gonna have a community cleanup to clean a lot of the trash that's kind of laying around here.
Take care of
Levels are still too high.
Who's gonna take care of me when you're doing the pond thing?
I don't know. Probably Mama. Oh man, doesn't it smell good out here, Luke?
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Love it after it rains. There are people talking.
The best part about it is that the geese poop, we can't smell it because the fresh water, right?
I wonder if the beaver finished cutting down that tree. There was a tree we were looking at the other day, and I wonder if the beaver finished. No, it's still the same. Never mind. Let's look for the geese. Oh man, look how backed up this is. Look at that. Actually, it's overflowing the beaver's dam. What? Oh, the babies? Oh, what do you mean there's only 3? Oh yeah, the babies.
See?
Oh yeah.
One got eaten.
Hey, I just want to see the babies. Can I see the babies? Oh, there's still one egg there. There's still one egg that didn't hatch. Okay. I just want to see the babies. Hey, babies. Hey. You still got one egg left there. Okay. Oh, Jesus. What are you talking about? I wish I'd telephoto. I can't get close enough. Hey. There's one egg that didn't hatch. There's one egg that didn't hatch. So there's just 3. Yeah, I know. They don't seem interested. Maybe it's a dud. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. Take good care of them.
Hey, a squirrel! You were quick for a little guy.
He is quick.